They,
We're breaking la ley.
I know we are breaking the rules here in America. So we get our bread fresh. Better bread fresh. He's getting all crap here because we are taking fresh bread today.
Artichokes. 2 artichokes. 2. A hot pepper.